Meaning of double entendre.
Double entendre.
Double entendre.
Double entendre.
Double entendre. A double entendre is a phrase or figure of speech that has a double meaning, one of which is usually risque or suggestive in nature. Essentially, it's a form of wordplay where a phrase can be interpreted in two different ways, often with one meaning being innocuous and the other more provocative. Double entendres are often used for comedic effect, particularly in literature, theater, and film. However, they can also be considered offensive or inappropriate depending on the context. Overall, double entendres are a clever way to add humor and nuance to language.